In a modern factory, maintenance and repair teams shouldn't have to waste time sorting through poorly formatted tickets, which are missing pieces of information. Nor should they have to puzzle over where a piece of equipment is located. NavVis IVION Go is a mobile application which supports all factory floor personnel to quickly, reliably report defects to the maintenance team, and also provides the precise location of the issue. In this example, a production team leader spots a problem with a piece of equipment. Using NavVis IVION Go, they've pinpointed their exact location in the factory by scanning their surroundings, which is quickly identified using AR positioning technology. Next, the production team leader creates a point of interest for the defect, including relevant details such as the category of the POI, the name and description of the problem. They've also taken a photo and attached it to the POI within the app. The powerful NavVis API means that all defect reporting can be seamlessly integrated with third-party applications, including issue tracking systems. In this example, the newly created POI has automatically triggered the creation of a new ticket. Maintenance teams will always have the flexibility to work with their established issue tracking systems, while also having the ability to jump into NavVis IVION Enterprise to take a closer look at the location and surrounding area of the defect. The manager of the maintenance team has all the information they need to assess the issue and assign a task to the appropriate technician. Knowing the extent of the issue, the technician can prepare in advance by bringing all the right tools for the job. Using NavVis IVION Go, they can also orientate themselves on the factory floor and locate the defect more efficiently. With richer detail and complete information about the defect and its spatial context, all accessible from within NavVis IVION Go, the maintenance team can improve their first-time fix rate and reduce downtime for the factory overall.